Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making herbal ghee or clarified butter with herbs. It's a very interesting video. I hope you all enjoy. To make my herbal ghee, I took 3 pounds of butter in a pot. To make ghee, always use a thick bottom vessel. I started heating the butter on a low flame. I always make the butter in a low flame, so even if I step outside for a minute, it is not going to burn. Here I have 3 kinds of herbs: rosemary, sage and mint. Sometimes I also use cilantro and curry leaves. You may also try with other herbs like lavender, basil, dill, etc. The reason I am adding the herbs into the ghee is all these herbs have good medicinal values and of course wonderful flavors. So I want to infuse all the flavors and medicinal values into my ghee. Now the herbs are cooking in the ghee. This is rosemary, it is sage and it is mint. Remember, the ghee itself has a wonderful flavor, so the herbs are not going to dominate the ghee. You make the ghee in the same way even if you are not adding any herbs. So the ghee is almost done. When all the moisture is gone, the bubbles will come down, then the ghee is done. When you sprinkle a few drops of water, you will see the foam again like this. That means the ghee is done. It is perfectly done. It is the right color for a perfect ghee. This foam is going to come down in a few seconds. Now switch off the flame and remove the pot from the hot burner to avoid further heating. You can actually switch off the flame just a couple of minutes before, and then it will consume the heat inside and get to the right color. If you wait until this color to turn off the stove, it may burn. I hope these tips are helpful if you are making first time. Anyway, if you are making it first time, make a small quantity like 1 pound. 4 sticks are 1 pound. Now I am going to remove the herbs from the ghee. I am not going to throw these herbs. They are very tasty. They are really fried in the ghee. So if I am making any chutney, I will use them in the chutney or I will just eat them. I did not use curry leaves today because I am going to use this ghee to make sweets. I don't want the sweets to taste like curry leaves. Otherwise, curry leaves add a nice flavor to ghee. I will let it cool down a little bit and then I will transfer into a container. After cooling down, this is how it looks. See the beautiful golden color? Ghee should be heated until you get this color to enjoy the real deliciousness and flavors. Because all the moisture has been removed from the butter, it is now just like oil. You don't have to refrigerate it. You can store it in the room temperature. If you do not use any wet spoons, you can easily store the ghee for a year. You can use this ghee to make sweets, snacks, or you can use it in your curries, in your biryani, or just even on the bread toast. This ghee will be delicious and heavenly. You can add a little bit of sugar or jaggery to this sediment and enjoy it. I'm sure you all have good childhood memories with this. Make sure you make some rasam or sambar in this pot. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page.